Right, so let's come down here and check out my updates to my renovation for the last week of February, heading into March 2022. Basically, this side of the room all looks the same. There's the chair collection, but this is where the change is. The stage has been moved. The electrical room has been moved. Everything has been moved out of this space here. You can see it's huge and clean. And it's all been brought over here to my bedroom. So basically, my stage is going to be here. All my electrical stuff is going to go in this room, under my bedroom. And if you come in here, you can see I pretty much got this wall in place, but these two walls, I need to notch the floor joists so they just barely rest on there. I can mount these walls in here. Then we can start putting up drywall. We'll have a doorway over here. My rock line wall, my utility pole, everything is going to be down here. This floor is going to be cut out a little bit more, and you can see up there is my 25-foot rock line wall in my bedroom. So basically, you can see how this is coming along. Yeah, I tell you what. Yeah, my stadium seats from Penn Trafford Middle School that got removed during their renovation are down here. I got all my insulators, parts, and all my instruments and everything over here in this corner. Those are supplies for the rest of the house. Those are supplies for the rest of the house, and the chair collection is still over here. And I tell you what, this is all the parts I have in hand for my model train. I basically have everything sitting in place where it needs to be built, and this is all the extra parts I have. I got extra 2x4s and all my other stuff over here, a couple of bike parts and that. Chair collection here, and you basically see how this is coming along. So here are the updates to my bedroom. Basically, I brought this desk up here with all my tools and everything, and my sketch pad, which eventually this desk is going to go downstairs. My winter bed's going to be up there. My summer bed's going to be down there at the bottom of the climbing wall with that desk. And this desk is going to stay right here. You know, my row crossing signs, train engines up there, insulators up there, HO scale layout, beehive, loft, space station. Basically everything up here is still the same. I basically did a lot more down there. I cleaned the basement and put the walls up. Well, started to. And eventually we're going to do a bunch of drywall, which hopefully by next winter we'll have the drywall done. It'll be sweet in here. I drill the holes in the utility pole and mount it to the floor joist there. I'm going to add another wall on that side to keep the gas line from getting bumped. And basically we're going to have a rock line wall to the ceiling. Got the mulch bed down there. All the stuff outside. Yeah, I got about 50 to probably 75 2x4s stashed on hand to finish this. And you can basically see that this is a major project and it's slowly coming along. And I tell you what, now you see why this is taking so long, because there's so much to do. So much thought to put in the designs of things. A lot of problems to overcome. Nothing worked. And I'm going to say goodbye in this video, but I'll post another video along with this in a second explaining how this happened.